Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, MIZORAM Education Hub. My video ahyan, Government of MIZORAM, Excise and Narcotics Department, examination for recruitment to the post of LDC 2019 Questions can solve on with me, Nang Manipon in Solve Zelturene. Channel ahyan mo first time in visit chuan in subscribing edonia because many videos will be uploaded in the future. Ani first huntam daw galadon question tihan solve zelila mathematics sections. First question. If you divide minus 120 by 15, you will get what? Ento minus 120 15 in divide don taila. Table in shia chuna chaldu ganyo. 15 8 zaran ichinti hiyan 15 8 zaran ichina 120. So minus 8 is correct answer. So option B will be our answer. Now, next question. Three numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3 and their HCF is 12. HCF 12 and yeah, what are the numbers? I mean question unrepeat le metenyo unrepeat chuan and examine muchan simply in tidanturju what are the numbers through. So highest common factor and given a 12 1 by 1 in multiplying means first number first number will be 12 into 1. Okay, 12 into 1. So 12 anyway. Second number second number will be 12 into 2. That is 24. And the last one, third number anidon 12 into 3. Highest common factor ka in multiply zelang 36. So 12, 24, 36. Option B is correct answer. What will be the remainder if 4 raised to the power 3 plus 5 raised to the power 5 is divided by 3? Remainder theorem concept polo chuaka trahop mai tiango. Hemi chula ziyada wasin 5 raised to the power 5 and given and then on 5 raised to the power 55 le 4 raised to the power 33 nita se enge kantia. Tahan boy mai theadro in boy mai thea crystal clear the in concept shiatur. Conventional method in engtia soltunge 4 cube thero. So 4 cube kan shia 64 and 5 raised to the power 5 exact ngenichin 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25 into 5. 25 25 is 625 into 5. That is 3125 anichin. It means 5 raised to the power 5 is 3125. Now our question nge aninkara plus omtro ani 4 cube plus 5 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 in condivision, what will be the remainder? This is the question. Now, 4 cube value kandanga 64. 5 raised to the power 5 value kandanga 3125. Hemi 3 in condividang. Bell. But this is the conventional method. Hemi method track the location mo method dang po oma kashilang chow hamiza. 4 le 5 pakuania. 6 le pani pariyatanya 1 and 3. Now 3189 pathumin kan divide chuan what will be the answer ento 3189 tero 3 in divide dila 10s are 13 ya chan 189. Now 6 are exact nge 18 ani dona 9 bang and 3s are it means ing maheri topa remainder 0 chuaka. So option A will be our correct answer. Ma saying examination, this should not be your method. Your approach should be like this. 4 cube anya 5 raised to the power 5 anya 3 in divide angai. And you can split tailom tahan can break thaya can separate they because plus sign is there in between 4 cube and 5 raised to the power 5. So 4 cube by 3 plus 5 raised to the power 5 by 3. Kay man ka siya nang mani ponin siya nga 4 hi enge ni chin pathum le pakhat anichin panga hi enge anichin paruk -1 anichin. Now han ngei to lok means han ngei to la 3 le 3 kan divide the piang in 0 remainder chuak maseng hemi 1 hi. So 1 cube plus 6 po hitrin kan divide the piang in 0 remainder chuak maseng hemi -1 raised to the power 5 hi tahan kan zia ka -1 raised to the power 5. Now 1 cube kan shia a 1 anidon plus -1 raised to the power odd minus raised to the power odd always negative 1 and chain. Now hemi plus le hemi minus can multiply chen minus and dona hemi 1 le hemi 1 here 0. Again, option A will be correct answer. First method conventional method in a track tilawa nang mani pon tra tilaw ulakadu. As in second one he in a habit siya mangayang. Next question. 26 more eh kaya 26 more antingala then a number z is 30. Om zechu somthum hi zet ein somni parukina tamzok. Makamay. It means tatrang hian z can find out ang don. Simply hemi hi right hand side da daula 26 left hand side da 30 minus 26 is equals to z. 30 atrang in 26 pay pali in ya. So pali will be correct answer hemi here. Option C will be the correct answer. Okay. Hemi session hemi video hi trying each one in like nge don ya chen ju in like hian eng ma cheng khat po in laws malawa only second khatanga yang. Ani 55 here. A is to B is to C and given a ratio and proportion me quotient and yeah 3 is to 4 is to 7. Now then the ratio A plus B plus C divided by C is equal to exactly ni don. The agent more means this type of question I am boy wa kangai lawa A value pathumania B value palinia C value pasarinia tro tahian daula answer chu lo chu akang ani A in pathum leh pathum kanda B in pali C in pasari and anwaya hai divided by C tro denominator Jimmy Wangchun value of C7 anwaya kanda tlade yang 7 le pathum som le pali anya divided by 7. Cancel ila 7 in 2 is to 1. Our final answer will be 2 is to 1. Option D is correct answer. Question number 56. If A and B are in the ratio 3 is to 4, ratio ano matro, and B and C in the ratio 12 is to 13. Conclusion is find A and C. A is to C, A and C find out tangay mo. Ani chuan A is to B kan nga. A is to B kan zia kanga and again B is to C. Tihian kan zia kang kalarigan tlak le patanga mo. A le B noya 3 is to 4 kandanga and B is to C hit 12 is to 13 nanya. Now B hi common same kan siam angai same siam turin engthil nge kan ti the heta 3 in kan multiply ngayang hemi 3 le 4 ahian 3 le 4 ahian 3 in kan multiply vele hemi 9 ani dainga hemi 12 ani dona and 12 le 13 hi chu a omsa. Now this is common ani to tro. So common ani to chuan 9 is to 12 is to 13 kan nei to and our question is then A and C will be antiringota A is to C will be tizo turanya. So our answer will be A is 9 part and C is 13. 9 is to 13 option B will be correct answer. Now next question. Ratio of boys and girls in school is 8 is to 5. Ani boys le girls. What is the ratio? 8 is to 5. If their total number is 286 and each one unitary method in solve apilo variable kan mangzok mayang nang manita na ulsam daw nga ratio an omavangin 8 le 5 means achunga le nwaya x in kan multiply te so 8x and 5x kan neya their total number is 280 and each one total boys plus total girls exact mo 286 pariyat le panga som pathumanya and 286 now 13 in cancel 2s are 26 and 26 alabangania so 2 so x is equals to 22 kan nei don hemi x value himo tahian kan da de yang da nuwa exact value of boys le girls kan nei don boys will be 8 into 22 that is 6 and 7 and girls exact ngan hey 0 1 1 means 176 le 110. Now our question is if 22 more girls are admitted to the school, number of girls exactly nidon atira zale som girls and oma tuna 22 and lut means admission lak nu achon 110 22 kan belanga 132. So option D is correct answer. Okay. Question number 58. present ages of two persons are in the ratio of 5:7. And each one two person A le B can assume ang and ratio hi exact nge tu na tak hian means present na 5:7. But ratio ni wangin variable pakhat kan la thai. Maseng variable in la hian achunga le nwaya same variable in manangai. Y in manchuan nwaya po Y. X in manchuan nwaya X. Okay. 16 years ago, their ages were in the ratio 2:5. And each one kumsom parukliam tap tahian 16 years ago anya kan minus vevea. What was the ratio? 2:5. That we can solve ang value of x can find out tangay. The value of x find out turin cross multiplication. Tihian can cross topang. So 5x into 5, 25x minus 16 5s are 80 is equals to 7x into 2, 14x minus 16 into 2, 32. Now, x bula chuan in number bula. I mean 14 hela makandanga 25x sa in 14x pay. And hela mahian minus 80 right hand side akan ang lovele kan zia vele plus 80 kan zia kang minus 32 le plus 80 is 48 and hela mahian 25 atang in 14 pay 11x. Now x will be 48 by 11. Okay, 48 by 11. And in cancel thedon lo ni hi their present ages exact nge don. Now present age exact nge kha 5x less 7x thro. So a will be 5x and x can find out zochia x in 48 by 11 kandangai and b is equals to 7x anya present. So x in 48 by 11 kanda anin cancel thelo tro anin cancel thelo chun this will be correct answer. Directly this is correct answer. Masing option a omielo bonus emi bonus anidon. Okay, now next question. Average of the first 5 multiples of 7. Average of the first 5 multiples of 7. Emi pohi conventional method in tihian kan solve trinatro. First 5 multiple ama saber choose 7 anya. Chumiza 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. Atopa 5 in kan divide trina kan answer chulo chua kang. Hey, 7 le sompali 21 le 21 42 le 28 somsari le somthum panga zale panga by 5 anya. So 21 chua. Masing this is conventional method. Inti dantur chu exam alo chua chuan inti dantur 7.9 danga first 5 multiple throw and each one 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5 tihian in solve danya all sum those okang ani pangale pali pakuale pathum som pani le pani som pali le paha som pangania. So 7 into som panga by 5 vacant cellular 7 3s are 21 chuakang. Option B is correct answer. Now next question. Average mark of 4 subject is Zasomni. If 33 was misread as 13 during the calculation, what will be the correct average? Total equals to total angkan means sum equals to sum angkan. And tinge kantidon. Avain subject pali o matro. So sum of subject exact nganidon 120 into pali. Masing if 33 was misread as 13, somthum pathum cheer turania. Oh, masing som pathum an cheer de an cheer swal tinaichu som pathum kan peyanga adik zok kanda ang adik lo zok kan peyanga china tianga hian and adik zok kha kanda lutanga divided by subject ka chu pali chawalo jimi wangchan 4 kanzia ka. Now 120 into 4 is zali somriat chuan somthum pathum atangin som pathum pe somni divided by pali beleila 480 plus 2500 then yeah divided by 4 25s are and it means 500 4 in kan divide 125 achwa. So option D is correct answer. Square root of 64009 square find out dan le square root find out dan le square root find out dan ka video in len lo chuan in NT. First, the solve the hemi question him but Jimmy Turchuan at least 25, 32, 26, 35 square in Shia Tangai. 25 square kay man ka siya tamtakin ng mani zin siya ng mani pon 625 ani na and hetayan 3 definitely value pa ni ngay don chutiang bok chon 26 yan enchin teo 26 square 676 35 square 1225 and 32 square 1024 1024 chu thei don lo chiang sa 1225 po thei don lo wa hemi 640 bul nai ber number enge 625 chumi wangchan option a hi adikton. Okay, this is another method trick body theta wa poi chung lo ming chiang pon pa thei. Find the greatest number that will divide lam that will divide antia will divide an each one HCF kan manangai don so as to leave the same remainder in each cases. So tiang question is simply and difference kan ziak potri na motian a b minus a c minus b c minus a 91 atang in 43 pay chuan 183 atang in 91 pay and a topa 183 atang in a kan payang means first one kan payang I 91 11 train 3 pay pari atanya and heta 4 83 3 a train pakhat pay pani 18 train pakwa pay pakwa. Now 183 train 4 to 3 kan pay 140 achua ka. What is the HCF? Oh, HCF ini to may masing ting HCF kan man ting LCM kan man lo ami thili tiang til poishi atangaya previous videos a kay man ke explain to why why we will use HCF not LCM for HCF ani thayam yes 48 divide 92 po 140 po divide 7 hi HCF ani thayam na ani thelo because 48 7 in kan divide thelo 9 hi HCF ani thayam na hemi poi thelo because 48 9 in kan divide thelo 13 hi ani thayam na hemi poi ni thelo because 48 13 in kan divide thelo ma saying 4 in hang out means all these three numbers can divide the option if Wednesday Thursday Friday was 40 degrees Celsius and the average temperature for Thursday Friday and Saturday was 41 degrees Celsius. If the temperature on Saturday was 42 degrees Celsius, what was the temperature on Wednesday? Ani first part ki han focus patila average temperature of Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. This is the average. Divide ang what was the average? 40 degree Celsius. Simply 3 kita and multiply chaude it will become zasomni degree Celsius. And the average temperature of for Thursday, Friday, Saturday divided by 3 41 degrees Celsius. 3 kita and multiply chaulenga engzat nganidon 123 degrees Celsius. If the temperature on Saturday was 42, Saturday 42 ni chuan what was the temperature on Wednesday? A tiang question poi thil dang eng mati ngai lawa inti dan turchu equation equation 1 angin ngayola equation 2 angin ngayola hey no simply in minus ang heta plus soma in minus heta plus soma in minus ang heta plus soma in minus ang and heta hian plus soma in minus ang athat na enge ngadinge minus kan tiri ngot achanju heta han plus Thursday in mutro heta han plus Friday in mutro ase heta minus Thursday le minus Friday kan ne ya atok don kan cancel. What is the remaining part? Wednesday minus Saturday is equals to 120 minus 123 degrees Celsius. Peila minus 3 degrees Celsius kanne. Now, conclusion Saturday was 42 degrees Celsius and teatro. Chumi wang chuan Saturday ain 42 degrees Celsius kanzia kanga and right hand side minus 3 degrees Celsius. Now Wednesday value chu kanne mayalame. Oh, and plus 42 degrees Celsius. Now 42 attain pathum pay 39 degrees Celsius was the temperature on Wednesday. Option B will be correct answer. Now, question number 65. The least number which should be added to 2497 list number pakat kan add nga and add nuwa 6 pon divide thedona means number lau chua tur kha 6 pon kan divide thedona completely kan divide thedon exactly completely kan divide thedona 5 pon 4 pon 3 pon chumi tur jan number pakat kan siya mangai don then that number is nothing but LCM of 6543. Okay, 6543. Now, what is the LCM? 6 le 3 in can divide here. 6 4s are 24. 24 5s are 120. So 120 half 60 will be the LCM. LCM will be 60. Now 60 in Mokimi number he can divide on 2497 and 16. 64s are Zani Somli 97 abang. 61s are 60. 37. 37 hichu 60 multiple anilo. 60 multiple si am turin tahian exact nge edila somru kan I theidon. Tahian exact nge kan edang. 23 kan edang. 23 kan ed well hey 60 61 za kan tile theidon mo. Jumi wangchun 23 kan edang ayang. 23 option C will be correct answer. Now, next question. A man paid 420 for a pair of shoes worth rupees 400. What is the rate of sales tax charged? Ari, cheng zali anyatro and a man paid zali le somni a pay. Engzat nge pay bell. Cheng somni. So hemi 20 he the sales tax. Now hemi sales tax he pay kok man in kan divide nga into 100. 0 panile 0 panian cancel. 20 by 4 is 5%. So 5% will be correct answer. Baka tiyang thil chu option rang pona check tiya 5 hey 400 and itro pe kok man and 5% ang zat nge 00 cheng somni. So somni ni to phot chuan hey zali ni len zali somni ni to tro amana pe ya 5% will be correct answer. By selling a shoe for 2850, shopkeeper gains 14%. If the profit is 8%, what will be the selling price? Ingzatin moshala 14% gain in ratio method in consolvang. 14% gain in ashal. So cancelila 7 by 50. Cheng somnga mananya CP somngania and ingzatin ngeshal. Somngale pasarina shal. Masen kan khoshan ahi chon sang ni zariyat somngai na shalasin. Sang ni zariyat le somngai na shal. Cancelila 50 times anything. It means cost price will be 15 to 50. That is sang nile zanga anidon. If the profit is 8%, selling price nge. Now selling price is nothing but hemi cost price and 8% profit za a pariyat kan belanga divided by 100. Achungami 0 panile noimi 0 panian cancela 25 into 108. 108, 25, 540 and 216, 2700. So 2700 is correct answer of this question, option A. Our next question. If a man is to sell his shirt for rupees 720, he will lose 25. John, to sell it for 25% gain, he would sell a kai. Question po he allow chuak nge and what is the trick? First one loses 25%. It means za 25 kan title mga 75 kan ziyat. And next case 25% gain. So za somni panga kan bel yang. 25 in cancela 3, 25 in cancela 5, 3 in cancela za somriat, and za somriat le panga kan multiply chon 900 will be correct answer of this question. Now question number 69. Mark price of radio is 20% more than its cost price. Ay chon cost price kan shami alaw a cost price kan shiat law chon x mo za kan assume and mark price yang zat mo 20% more anya zahi 20% kan titam chuan 120 anython. Now kan question here, if a discount of 10% is given on its mark price, hemi mark price ahian 10% discount kan pek nuwa. So discount kan pek chuan engyom zia. It means 100% and 10% kan pay nga 90% value chia customer in a pay nga tro 0, 0, 0, 0. It means cheng zale pariatin aman aleidon customerin. But from the point of view of Zuartupa, what is the gain percent? And the aman wholesale retin cheng zain leya jan customer nena zale pariatin shell. So difference is cheng riatro. And what is the cost price? Anwaya 100. Percentage I can find out tangaya, so multiplied by 100%. Achingumi 0 panile, Nwai 0 panian cancela 8%. So B is correct. Question number 70. Find the simple interest of 5,200 for 2 years at 6% per annum. Ni simple interest in a formula PRT by 100 throw. So P is 5,200 and a rate is 6%. Time is 2 years divided by 100. 0 panile 0 panian cancela 52 into 12. Ani 52 into 12 ang zat ngani dan 52 12s are 4 1 0 52. So 624. 624. Oh ma'am, option number C. C nahi adik. Question number 71. The ratio between speed of two trains is 7 is to 8. Speed of train 1 is to speed of train 2. And Zatmon given a 7 is to 8 ungiven. Now, ratio anum top ratio anuma so variable can multiply the. If the second train runs 400 kilometer in 4 hours, ani train 2 speed ang zat nge or tihana ziyate tawa speed of train to exat mo distance by time. So 100 kilometer per hour speed. This is the speed. Ma saying this will be the value of 8x. 8x is equals to 100 kilometer per hour. X will be equal to 100 by 8. 4 in can say 24, 25 by 2 and 25 2 in divide 12.5 achua kang value of x kan nito eh. Now conclusion if first train speed can find out tangay 7x ania x can find out zauchia jumi function 7 ahian x 12.5 can multiply. So 12.57 zarang zat nge 35 3 14 7 and 8 het and decimal ometro jumi function heta decimal kandang 87.5 option D is correct answer. Okay. Question number 72. Rupees 2100 is lent at compound interest of 5% per annum for 2 years. Find the amount after 2 years. A amount find out tangay niyo amount formula ingani trin P 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power T. Heta minus 1 le break in da that is compound interest. But question amount find out tangay. Principal kanya 2100. Chuan a rate kanne 5% and time po kanne 2 years. 5 in cancel 20 and 20 into 120 plus 121 by 20 whole square and heta hian 2100 kan simplify ang 2100 ania 21 square ang zat ngani train 441 and at waya 20 o matro 20 square ang zat zali 0 panile 0 panian cancel nga and 21 into 441 by 4. Hemi hi kan solve ang. And the 4 in hemi po cancel the don law 4 in 441 po a cancel the don law. It means that decimal hemi answer hi adik don. Option C will be correct. But kan solve ang option now law takin 441 288 so 1629. And 9261 here 4 in divide 2s are 8 1 2 6 1 3s are 12 6 1 1s are 4 21 5s are 21 decimal kanda 10 kanda 2s are 8 2 0 kanda nga 5s are anidon. So 2315.25 option C is correct answer. Question number 70. 3. The difference between simple interest and compound interest is 5% per annum for 2 years on a principal of 2000 engzat nge ani don. Ami question po hitro. Trick ka shil to chewa ka videos da nga point and tonga. What is the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years? So its formula is P bracket chunga R by 100 square. This is the formula. Now P engzat nge sang ni. Arith engzat nge 5 and divided by 100 square. Now sang niya netro 5 in cancelila 1 by 20 kan naidon. And what is the square of 20? Zali anuai mi bial panile chunga mi bial panian cancela 20 by 4, that is 5. So chenga anicho. Option A will be correct answer. Question number 74. In what time will rupees 3300 become 3399 at 6% per annum when interest is compounded half yearly? Half yearly and each one arret can half the young and a time can double the young. Okay. Ani. Hemi sangthum zathum hi sangthum zathum somkwa pakwa ni day. It means sangthum zathum principal ania and 3399. This will be the amount. So amount formula is P1 plus R by 100 raised to the power T. Now 3399 principal kan ya 3300 and 1 plus arret engzat mo 6%. Maseng half yearly anivangin 6 by 2, that is 3 and divided by 100. And time hi a double the idona. So time will become and hetahian T kanda there. Now, third the 300 hi mohela mahan kan shift la de yang third the 300 and 3 in cancel de la 1133 and anwaya 1100 1133 and 1100. Right hand side 100 into 100 plus 3, that is 103 by 100 raised to the power 2t. And 11 in cancel ila 1 zar. Hetahan 0 kanda nga and 11 in cancel ila 3 zar. Nothing as 0 kanda hemi pohian concept anay. Initiate chona chalutuka. Otherwise videos dang awaitam tak means 3 to 4 times ke man ke explain to. Now 0 panin waya throw decimal kuyange kanda don 1 le 0 in kara. So 1.03 kan nei to and right hand side ahian hey denominator abial paniam decimal kuyange kanda don 1 le 0 in kara. So 1.03 raised to the power t. Base aninang to entaway. Base aninang to 1.03 helama poma right hand side apo 1.03 it means and raised to the power heta engmal no chon 1 ngai chinyo. So 1 is equals to 2t and 2 1 waya kanda tlanga. It means time engzat ngai sham 1 year ponwa half year ni hi and half year ziachu 6 months. So 6 months will be correct answer. Next video 75 in 100 kalau uploadang. Thank you so much for watching this video. Trying to join in means group dang apo in share thea. Thank you.